Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Menteri Rangba ke Jalau, Conrad Kongkel Sangma, hakakat kandai terik uyang arajar apulai. Ulahir Jurip ke Madan Ïalehkai, Madan Polo Shillong, kibarang don mentah padang kejing sna Pynbha. Tang supaya Polo, Menteri Rangba ulalek Jurip nikong ya ke Madan Ïalehkai, first ground kabadang Maramot. Mat kaban long kawai ni ke Madan Ïalehkai ke Pynbha, hakani ke Jala, mat hakatahan cetai lamingi berok kawai. Hakani ke Jurip, balasan lang yu Menteri Rangba dekinong penyak jong Meghalaya Football Association, ki engineer naga State Sports Council, ki officer jong Transport and Youth Affairs ke Sorkar Jala, lai baga company ke Shimti ban Pynbha ya ke Madan Ïalehkai. Kadang penteri syat-syat naga benta ban penbit penbiang ya ke Madan kanang ba ondop la ban pelong ya ke Lempung Ïalehkai National Games bat kiwi-kiwi de ke Lempung Ïalehkai ki bahaya haki snem ki ban sawan. Hadian ke niu Menteri Rangba ulalek Jurip pat ya ke jing Maramot ya ke Madan JN Complex. Hakaban nakaliang jogi bor badai pej jongko company basimti ban sna ya ke Madan. Kilapen ke jing dro ba ya ke dur gadar bala sna pen wan dur thamai JN Complex ya ke jaka penyang kali ke jaka Ïalehkai bat kiwi-kiwi de ke jing don kam jong ke Madan Ïalehkai hakni ke jog ke pemerintah. Nang ni pat ulalek ban Jurip saya ke multi-purpose indoor stadium ke bala sna hadalang stage.
Work that's going on in the Polo in the first ground. As you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July, and you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football. And in collaboration with the community and the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. We have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon, and I expect that we should be having a large number of AstroTurf football grounds where our youth can then practice, can have matches, and that will be one of the steps towards ensuring that we are able to bring out the talent also and give the opportunity for them to play. So this is part of a larger plan, but this stadium is something that we expect, as I said, by the month of July to be 2023 to be completed, and we hope that we'll be able to start playing matches in the month of August, September. So this is now increased to how many seaters?
So about 30,000. So what happens here is that
between 30 to 35,000.
Not bad.
Now if we have bucket seats, then the capacity will reduce.
You can leave it as this.
Yeah.
20 meters shooting range and 10 meters shooting range. In first floor, the main is table tennis. Table tennis hall. This is the main unmanaged fitness center, squash rooms. This is the highlight of the first floor, sir. In second floor,
This will be one of the largest in the northeast.
yes, sir. This is the largest in the
Now come to see the renovation work going on at the JN Stadium, and from the looks of it, the work is going on at very good speed, and as you can see, the football ground will now be a natural turf. Already the seeds have been sown, and we expect the field now to the football field to come up with the natural turf. At the same time, as you can see, we also have new stands that are coming up, which will then enhance the overall seating capacity of the stadium. So we expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field, and the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards, and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future. Apart from that, the stadium also will have full facilities for athletics, and hence we'll have the track and field, as well as long jump and high jump and other disciplines also, and hence even the quality that's being maintained here for the track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end and December first week that we should be able to complete and inaugurate this particular stadium completely renovated. So we are very excited, and once this is complete, as I mentioned, we expect that we should be able to host a large number of events and even international events in the future. Thank you. Done. So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire Northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the three stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very, very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, we'll be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very, very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them who are very, very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this will give them opportunities to really pursue and really be able to come up in the different areas of disciplines that they have so much passion for. So we are happy with the work, and we would like to congratulate the team who's working on this, and at the same time would like to urge them that we should ensure that all the progress is completed.